Today I am reviewing the Sanitaire EUKSC679J Upright Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Sanitaire EUKSC679J Commercial Shakeout Bag Upright Vacuum Cleaner is an exceptional choice for both commercial and home cleaning, offering a combination of power, durability, and user-friendly design that makes it stand out among upright vacuums. One of its most impressive features is its lightweight 12-pound design, which provides easy maneuverability without sacrificing performance. Unlike many heavier commercial vacuums, this model glides effortlessly across carpets, hard floors, and even tight spaces, reducing strain during long cleaning sessions. Its upright design, coupled with a flat folding handle, makes it simple to clean under furniture and store efficiently, giving it a versatility that is essential for busy offices, schools, or home environments. At the core of its cleaning power is a 5-amp motor that delivers an impressive 120 cubic feet per minute (CFM) of airflow, ensuring deep cleaning across a variety of surfaces. From dirt and dust to larger debris, the Sanitaire EUKSC679J captures it all with consistent suction, making every pass effective. The vacuum also features a 12-inch cleaning path, which balances coverage and precision, allowing users to clean efficiently without missing spots in corners or along edges. The cord is a generous 30 feet long, providing extended reach for larger rooms or commercial spaces without constantly switching outlets, which saves time and energy during cleaning tasks. Another standout feature is the 18-dry quart Titex fabric shakeout bag, which can be emptied and reused multiple times. This design not only reduces the cost associated with disposable bags, but also ensures you always have a reliable collection system for dirt and debris. Simply shaking out the bag allows for quick, hygienic disposal of collected particles, and the reusable nature of the bag is environmentally friendly as well. For operators who value efficiency and cost savings, this feature alone makes the Sanitaire EUKSC679J a smart investment. Usability is also a major strength of this vacuum. The handle comes equipped with an automatic locking system and a foot pedal release, making it easy to adjust the height or fold it flat without bending over or struggling with complicated mechanisms. This thoughtful design element makes daily use more convenient and reduces fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Additionally, the vacuum has earned a CRI Seal of Approval, a prestigious certification that highlights its effectiveness in both soil removal and indoor air quality, reinforcing its suitability for commercial applications where cleanliness and hygiene standards are critical. Durability and reliability are central to the Sanitaire EUKSC679J. Built with high-quality materials and engineered for frequent use, it can withstand the demands of commercial environments while maintaining consistent performance over time. Its balance of power, lightweight maneuverability, and reusable bag system makes it equally suitable for large offices, schools, hotels, or even households that require a professional-grade cleaning solution. The combination of commercial-grade suction, user-friendly features, and certified cleaning efficiency ensures that every surface receives thorough attention with minimal effort. In conclusion, the Sanitaire EUKSC679J Commercial Shake-Out Bag Upright Vacuum Cleaner offers a remarkable blend of performance, practicality, and cost-effectiveness. With its powerful 5-amp motor, lightweight 12-pound design, reusable 18-core shakeout bag, and convenient handle features, it is designed to make cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient, whether you're managing a busy commercial space or maintaining a large home. Earning a CRI Seal of Approval confirms its excellence in soil removal and indoor air quality, giving users peace of mind that they are investing in a vacuum that truly delivers on its promises. For anyone looking for a reliable, high-performing, and easy-to-use upright vacuum, the Sanitaire EUKSC679J is a top-tier choice that combines professional-grade power with everyday usability.